You don't have to eat boring breakfast every single day, because with very basic ingredients, you can whip up a meal which is very nutritious, loaded with lots of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious egg and spinach stew, some sauteed veggies and arrowroots, and the recipe is going to be super easy and simple. This is a recipe that needs very minimal ingredients. So I've already prepped up my spinach, tomatoes, I have some zucchini and carrots. You'll also need some eggs, and these are free-range eggs, butter, onion, seasoning cubes, black pepper, salt, some cooking oil, and I have some leftover arrowroot, that is numa, that I'm going to be having as a side dish. Now, we're going to start off by boiling our eggs. So I'm going to place a small pot over medium-low flame and add in 2 cups of water. Next, I'm going to pick my eggs and carefully drop into the water. Add in a little bit of salt. Boil your eggs for around 8 to 10 minutes, and also it depends how you love your eggs. I love mine well boiled, so that is going to take around 10 minutes. Next, we're going to be preparing another side dish, which is going to be a very simple and easy sauteed carrots and zucchini. So I've already prepped up the veggies. I'm going to pick a small pan, place over medium flame, add in 1 tablespoon of butter to your pan, add in a little bit of cooking oil so that the butter doesn't burn, because it has milk properties. Wait for the butter to melt. And immediately you're going to catch a very nice buttery aroma. Once the butter is well melted, you're going to stir in your veggies. Add in some salt and black pepper. If you're using unsalted butter, add in a little bit of salt. I'm going to toss the butter and just look how lovely everything is looking. Then I'm going to cook for around 1 to 2 minutes, because I don't want to lose the crunchiness in the veggies. And as the carrots is cooking, it's going to release a nice orange color into the butter. This is what I'm talking about. Cooking the veggies in the butter is going to add in a very nice buttery taste to the veggies. And also the salt, black pepper is going to make the veggies so delicious. So check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in some more salt. My water has come to a boil, so I'm going to be boiling for 10 minutes. And because my veggies are ready and I don't want to overcook, I'm going to transfer to a plate. I'm going to be using the same pan to make my egg and spinach. So I'll wait for the eggs to get ready, and then we're going to proceed to the next step, which is to make our delicious egg stew. When your eggs are ready, you're going to put out the flames and transfer to a cold bath, that is water with ice cubes. And let the eggs cool as you place the same pan that you used to cook your veggies over medium flame. You're going to use the same butter, the same cooking oil, because it's quite flavorful. You're going to wait for the cooking oil to get hot. Transfer in 1 medium onion. Saute your onions for around a minute or until they're nice and soft. When the onions are ready, you're going to add in 3 medium tomatoes. Stir in and add in 2 seasoning cubes. Wait for the tomatoes to cook for around a minute or so. And during this time, you're going to drain off the water and peel your eggs. Adding in a little bit of salt while boiling your eggs is going to make it very easy for you to remove the shell. All you have to do is get underneath the shell and the thin membrane, then peel. Pick your eggs and cut them in half. I'm going to use a small paring knife, and as you can see, the free-range eggs have a very nice yellow yolk. I'm going to check on my tomatoes, which are perfectly cooking, and it has been around a minute. So I'm going to leave them around 1 more minute so that they can fully cook down. I've reduced the flames to low so that they don't burn. You can also add in a splash of water. We added in seasoning cubes, and they usually have a little bit of salt. So I'm going to add in some more salt to fully season my egg stew. I'm going to pick a spoon, add in around a 1/4 teaspoon, stir in. When your tomatoes are ready, you're going to add in your chopped spinach. Bring the flames to medium so that the spinach can cook down very fast without releasing any water. After 30 seconds, you'll notice that the spinach has wilted down, and this is how it's going to be looking. So you're going to check the seasoning one more time. Yummy, yummy. Add in your eggs. Then you're going to stir in your eggs. Toss the spinach together with the eggs carefully so that they can sip in all the nice flavors. Just look how gorgeous everything is looking. Then you're going to cook for around a minute so that the eggs can sip in all the nice flavors from the beef seasoning cubes to the spinach. And when everything is ready, you're going to put out the flames because you don't want to overcook your spinach. You want all the nutrients and all the vitamins to be 100%. I'm ready to serve, and my veggies are ready. My ndoma is already boiled, that is arrowroot. So I'm going to pick a tongue and serve, ready for my breakfast. This is an awesome breakfast. Add in my delicious buttery veggies. My breakfast rock brunch is ready, and as you can see, it's looking absolutely amazing. I love it when I make delicious food, because once I start digging in, this is going to be so filling, very delicious, and totally worth for you trying. So I hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.